How's it going, guys? Back with another video. Rainy day cosmetics are back. Jump in and let the world see your unique rainy fashion. Stay dry, stay stylish, and have a blast with our rainy day items. The rain won't last forever, and neither will these items. So I already have some items from when it came out last time. I had the rainy hat and the umbrella. Which one was it? This one. Oh, I already have it on. So I don't need to get those, but there's gonna be some other ones that maybe I might want. Maybe like the boots or something. Let's go. Hey, the umbrellas. Hey, here we are. So yeah, the boots, the cloud boots, whatever boots, any boots. This was rain. I don't remember that being rain. But yeah, so I already had this one. So I have this one. I'm thinking about getting the gold one, but that's 6,000, bro. 6,000 is wild, G. I remember this came out though. It was really cool. This is like old Gorilla Tag. Bro, it's so shiny, dude. Insanely shiny. Yeah. Maybe the black one? I don't know. I'm just gonna check. Because I already have two of my favorite ones. Yeah, the black one's actually not bad. It fits with a lot of outfits. But, this one's my favorite. Still colorful. People call it the gay umbrella, which is understandable. Alright. This is gonna be a short video. Yeah, the boots. I never really liked these, dude. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I never liked them. Whoa, the texture change when you're in. Where's this? Is this mountains? Yeah, mountains. Yeah. The clouds. Yeah, nothing too special. Let's try this one on. I have the egg. It used to be free. That was a free cosmetic. Yeah, the kilt. Yeah, I think I'm not gonna get anything this time right now. So, yeah, that's it for this video. Sorry for a short one. I will be trying to be posting more. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.